There are some rules in this logarithms. Product rule in the logarithms. See this is a product rule. Logarithm of x into y to the base a. Logarithm of x into y, xy or x into y. Logarithm of xy to the base a. That it gives logarithm of x to the base a plus logarithm of y to the base a. See, this is into becomes plus. Whenever logarithm is applied to x as well as y, logarithm is applied to x as well as y. Logarithm x, logarithm y. For applying to two variables, in the middle multiplication, it becomes a plus. Logarithm to the base a is a common. Logarithm to the base a, logarithm to the base a is common. In the multiplication, it becomes a plus in the result. Logarithm of x to the base a into becomes a plus. Logarithm of y to the base a. Like this we will get. This proof we are going to discuss. How we are getting multiplication becomes a addition. Okay, the logarithm of the product of the numbers is the sum of the logarithms. Simple. How it is? So let it be. We know some conditions. Let logarithm of x to the base a. We are going to take these two numbers. This is a product. So individual number, two different numbers. Whatever it is, two numbers. This is considered as we are taking m. This is n. This complete logarithm of x to the base a is taking as some value. Logarithm of x to the base a, we will get some value. This is the logarithmic form. So how to write that exponential form to this? How to write exponential form? These powers are interchanged. Logarithm is there. Now without logarithm means exponential form. A to the power x goes and m comes. A to the power m. These two are interchanged. A to the power m, that it gives. This x comes here. This is a logarithmic form. This is exponential form. Okay. And we have written about log x to the base a. Now consider log y to the base a. And log y to the base a. This is taken as m. This term is m. This term is n. Okay. This is a logarithmic form. Write in terms of exponential form. Base is not changed. Power, these two numbers are interchanged. A to the power n. A to the power n is equals to y. Exponential form. This is a logarithmic form. Is converted into exponential form. Then symbol this is. This symbol is then. Now product is required. This is x. This is y. Product is required. X into y. Now product of the two numbers. X into y. What is x? A power m. Into x into y. X is nothing but a power m. Y is nothing but a power n. We know that in the multiplication, bases are same. Power should be added. Once again, in the multiplication, bases are same. Power should be added. Already we learned this. A to the power m plus n. Okay. This is x into y means xy. Now this is exponential form. See this base, this complete power. Base, complete power. Okay. This is the base, complete power. Now this can be written as base is not changed. Means the reverse also can be written. This base a power m plus n. A power m plus n. This is the exponential form. This is exponential form. Convert this exponential form in terms of logarithms. See, this is a base. This is not changed. This is exponential form. Logarithm comes a. These two are interchanged. Here these two are interchanged. Like this cross power outside number. This is xy. Okay. This is m plus n. This comes here. M plus n. A power m plus n. M plus n xy are interchange. Base is the same. There is no change in the base here also. Base is not changed. Power and outside number is only interchange. Here also base is here. So logarithm is written here itself. Logarithm to the base a of xy. This m plus n goes here. Xy comes here. Interchange. Now m, what is m? We have taken that m is log x to the base a. The result we are writing. What is m? Log x to the base a. Log x to the base a. For plus plus. What is m? Log y to the base a. That is equals to logarithm of xy to the base a. Now the result is this one. Write this first, second this part. Interchange. No problem. Logarithm of xy to the base a is equals to logarithm of x to the base a plus logarithm of y to the base a. See this? Logarithm of the product of the two numbers to the base same, that it gives sum. Addition is called sum. Sum of the two logarithms. Sum of the logarithms. That is condition. We can say that the logarithm product of the logarithms, logarithm of the product values, variables, whatever it is. Logarithm of the product of the two numbers. Logarithm of product of the two numbers is the sum of the logarithms. Okay, like that we can write. This is the answer. This is the proof. This is the proof for the given part. Okay, therefore, like this we have to solve. Example we can write for this. For example, logarithm of 6 to the base n. The logarithms which are having to the base 10, those are called common logarithms. Logarithm to the base, we write log 6 also. Simply we can write logarithm of 6. Base is nothing. There is no base. Then what it should be considered? It is considered as base 10. Without base 10, without base 10, with base 10. Both represents the same. If there is no base, we have to consider there is 10 as its base. Now log 6. Logarithm of 6 can be written as 2 into 3 to the base 10. Now how can we write this is? Logarithm of multiplication is there. Now logarithm is applied. Multiplication only applied. Plus no application. 2 plus 3, 5. No application. 2 into 3. Logarithm of 2 to the base 10. Into becomes a plus. Logarithm of 2 to the base 10. Into becomes a plus. Logarithm of 3 to the base 10. Like this we have to write this expansion forms. Logarithm of 6, application of this one. This is as example. Okay, like this we can write. Expansion form of logarithm. Logarithm of 6. Like this can be written. Okay. Now this is logarithmic form, exponential form. Logarithmic form, exponential form. Like this we have to apply. This is the formula, application is there.